Hey there, future tech wizards and coding ninjas. Ever dream of being your own boss, setting your own hours, and working from anywhere in the world? Well, guess what? Tech freelancing might just be your golden ticket to freedom. In the ever-evolving digital landscape, tech freelancing has exploded in popularity. It's no longer just a side hustle. It's a legitimate and lucrative career path for tech enthusiasts of all levels. Whether you're a coding newbie or a seasoned tech pro, there's a place for you in the exciting world of freelancing. But where do you even begin? Don't worry, I've got you covered. This ultimate guide will walk you through everything you need to know about becoming a successful tech freelancer in 2024, from finding your niche to securing those high-paying gigs. So, buckle up, grab your laptops, and let's dive into the exhilarating world of tech freelancing. Just starting out in the tech world? No worries, there are plenty of entry-level freelance gigs to get your feet wet. One popular option is data entry. It doesn't require extensive coding knowledge and can help you understand data organization. Another great choice is social media management. Every business needs a strong online presence, and you can help them manage their social media accounts, create engaging content, and grow their following. Virtual assistants is another fantastic entry-level option. As a virtual assistant, you'll provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. Tasks can range from managing emails and scheduling appointments to creating presentations and handling basic website updates. And hey, don't underestimate the power of tech support. Many companies need assistance with troubleshooting technical issues, and you can be their go-to tech guru. Ready to step up your freelancing game? Once you've gained some experience, you can explore intermediate tech roles that offer more responsibility and, of course, higher paychecks. Web development is a hot field with endless opportunities. As a freelance web developer, you can build websites for businesses of all sizes using languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you have a knack for design, graphic design is another lucrative avenue. Create visually appealing logos, brochures, social media graphics, and more for clients across various industries. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is crucial for any website's success. Help businesses rank higher in search engine results pages by optimizing their website content and structure. And if you're passionate about creating amazing user experiences, consider user interface or user experience design. Design intuitive and user-friendly interfaces for websites and apps that keep users engaged. For the tech veterans out there, the freelance world is your oyster. Advanced tech roles demand significant expertise but offer incredible earning potential and the chance to work on cutting-edge projects. Software development is a high-demand field where you can build custom software applications for businesses using languages like Python, Java, or C++. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are rapidly growing fields with endless possibilities. Develop AI-powered solutions, create predictive models, and help businesses harness the power of data. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing various industries. As a blockchain developer, you can work on exciting projects like cryptocurrency wallets, decentralized applications, and smart contracts. And for those with a passion for cybersecurity, ethical hacking is a challenging and rewarding field. Help businesses identify and fix security vulnerabilities before malicious hackers exploit them. Finding your perfect fit certified platforms for tech freelancers. Now that you know the exciting tech roles available, where do you find these coveted freelance gigs? Fear not, numerous certified platforms connect freelancers with potential clients worldwide. Upwork is a global platform with a vast pool of freelance talent and clients across various industries. You can create a detailed profile showcasing your skills and bid on projects that match your expertise. Fiverr is another popular platform where freelancers offer their services in gigs starting at $5. It's an excellent option for beginners to gain experience and build their portfolios. Freelancer.com is a long-standing platform connecting businesses with freelancers for various projects, including web development, software development, and design. TopTal is an exclusive platform for top-tier freelance software developers and designers. They have a rigorous screening process, but once you're in, you'll have access to high-paying projects from leading companies. Building your freelance empire steps to success in 2024. So you're ready to embark on your tech freelancing journey? Awesome! Here are some steps to help you build your freelance empire. First, Identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What are you good at? Focus on a specific area of tech to become an expert and attract the right clients. Next, build a killer portfolio. Showcase your skills and experience with a portfolio that wows potential clients. Include personal projects, volunteer work, or even freelance gigs you've completed. Then, craft a compelling profile. Your freelance profile is your online resume. Highlight your skills, experience, and what makes you unique. Also, set competitive rates. Research industry standards and set your rates accordingly. Don't undervalue your skills, but also be realistic about your experience level. Finally, network like a pro. Attend online and offline events, connect with other freelancers, and let the world know about your services. Show me the money, securely withdrawing your hard-earned cash. Getting paid for your hard work is the best part of freelancing. But how do you ensure you receive your earnings securely? Many freelance platforms have built-in payment systems that hold funds in escrow until the project is completed. This protects both you and the client. PayPal is a widely used online payment platform that allows you to receive and send money securely. Payoneer is another popular option, especially for international transactions. They offer prepaid debit cards and bank transfers in multiple currencies. Stripe is a payment gateway that integrates with many websites and platforms, making it easy for clients to pay you directly. Wise, formerly TransferWise, is a great option for transferring money internationally with low fees and transparent exchange rates. Section 8. Mastering the Freelancing Game: Essential Tips for Tech Newbies. Navigating the freelance world can be daunting, especially for beginners. Here are some tips to help you thrive. First, manage your time wisely. Freelancing offers flexibility, but it's crucial to manage your time effectively to meet deadlines and avoid burnout. Second, communicate clearly. Clear and concise communication is key to successful client relationships. Respond promptly to messages, clarify expectations, and provide regular updates. Third, set realistic expectations. Don't expect overnight success. Building a successful freelance career takes time, effort, and dedication. And fourth, embrace continuous learning. The tech industry is constantly evolving. Stay ahead of the curve by learning new skills, attending webinars, and reading industry blogs. Section 9. The future is freelance, embracing the evolving tech landscape. The freelance revolution is here to stay, and the future of work is increasingly remote and flexible. The tech industry is at the forefront of this shift, with more and more companies embracing the benefits of hiring freelance talent. As technology advances, new opportunities for tech freelancers will emerge. Stay adaptable, embrace new technologies, and position yourself for long-term success in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Section 10. Overcoming challenges. Navigating the freelance roller coaster. Let's be real, freelancing isn't always sunshine and rainbows. It comes with its own set of challenges, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can overcome them and thrive. Feast or famine cycles. Freelancing can be unpredictable, with periods of high demand followed by slower periods. Manage your finances wisely, save for lean times, and diversify your income streams. Isolation and loneliness. Working from home can be isolating. Make an effort to connect with other freelancers, join online communities, and attend industry events. Competition. The freelance market can be competitive. Set yourself apart by specializing in a niche, building a strong portfolio, and providing excellent customer service. Self-discipline and motivation. Freelancing requires self-discipline and motivation. Set clear goals, establish a routine, and find ways to stay motivated when working independently. Section 11. Conclusion: Take the leap. Your tech freelancing adventure awaits. So, there you have it, your ultimate guide to becoming a tech freelancer in 2024. From entry-level gigs to advanced roles, there's a world of opportunity waiting for you in the exciting world of freelancing. Remember, building a successful freelance career takes time, effort, and dedication. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never stop learning and growing. Now go out there, take the leap, and create the freelance life of your dreams. The future is yours to code.